really him. Sensei Enmei Wen Wing Ang Wayne Master I traveled long and far for your knowledge.
So you want to learn the ways of the dragon?
If I may. Damn. Dust and shit.
Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me.
All I need is my rod and my staff.
Don't even need this book.
I'm really thinking about giving up, Sensei. I had to come here. I had to.
Rule number 1,
Instinct, trust, instinct.
always trust instinct. I feel it in here. There's no way of lying to me. That's rule number 1.
Instincts.
Number 2, the woman is the prize. If you don't work for that prize,
Is it really a prize?
Number 3,
Okay.
execution.
you can talk the biggest game, have the biggest plan, but with no execution, with no start.
With no start, it's nothing.